If you ever feel like you want to just do this, your throat is burning, got the acid reflux, got the gastritis, everything's on fire. Hey gut feeler friend, what if I told you that there is one little root that can fix not 5, not 10, 12 of the most common gut issues? If you're a seasoned gut feeler and you've been around the block for a while, you know the content, you know who I'm talking about. But if you're new, you might not guess it. Who am I talking about? Are you ready? Meet ginger, the superhero that saves our digestion. Now let's see which villains superhero ginger can defeat today. We have 3 categories of villains. Number 1 is for immediate relief, where ginger helps. Number 2, long-term gut issues. And section number 3, serious gut healing support. Villain number 12. I'm not sure about you, but I remember the time when I didn't watch my diet or I cheated a lot. And sometimes I just felt like I've eaten a beach ball. I wish back then I would knew what to do is to call Ginger, and he comes with his pin and rapidly deflates that beach ball because of his anti-inflammatory properties. The ginger rolls in there which help to reduce the bloating and the discomfort and get you back on track, even when you made not the best diet choice. Villain number 11. Not the most dangerous guy, but just really uncomfortable. Maybe you're dealing with motion sickness, pregnancy, or you just ate the wrong thing and feeling nausea. Ginger is my go-to. I like to travel with ginger, have a little piece of ginger always ready if I'm going to the plane or the bus. It's one of the most effective things that I've found for nausea. It works in 15 minutes or less, and it just makes me feel calm and relaxed and brings this warmth here to the belly area. Villain number 10, the last one on our first section, the immediate relief part. When you have problems going to the bathroom, the gut is backed up, nothing is moving forward, Ginger, the superhero, comes, puts his traffic police hat on and gets the traffic flowing again nicely, helps to stimulate your digestion, and you can make sure a few hours later you are on the toilet. Smooth bowel movements guaranteed. Villain number 9 and 8. If you ever feel like you want to just do this, your throat is burning, got the acid reflux, got the gastritis, everything's on fire, this is Ginger. Ginger is your fire extinguisher, calming down all the inflammation. The fire extinguisher helps to heal and calm down, like soothing the gut lining, the inflamed stomach lining. And this is because of the anti-inflammatory properties that are mainly because of gingerol, which is a phytocomponent, but also the digestive enzymes that are contained in this superhero. And ginger inhibits these molecules that are pro-inflammatory. They're also called cytokines. And in the case of gastritis, ginger, our superhero, helps to soothe the stomach lining by reducing the oxidative stress and therefore supports healing as fast as possible. I've seen this with one-on-one clients happen within 1 to 2 weeks, that they feel their symptoms improve if they use ginger daily. By the way, in the end, I'll share with you exactly how to use it if you want the superpowers, and then also a soft version if you're just getting started. Villain number 7, indigestion. If you feel your gut is slowing down, the food you're eating is not getting broken down, you can imagine ginger as a friend who always has the right solution. Literally, all the digestive enzymes and phytochemicals that are in there, which help you digest better and also take off the strain from your liver and your stomach to produce all those enzymes by itself. Villain number 6, a mean one, just like gastritis and acid reflux, the stomach ulcer. But don't worry, because we have ginger with its protective properties that help to soothe the gut lining, antimicrobial and antibacterial in case H. pylori is an issue for you as a root cause for the ulcer. Ginger is there to fight it off. All right, gut feeler, now we're coming to the third section, starting off with villain number 5, IBD, ulcerative colitis. When your gut is throwing a tantrum, everything is bleeding, everything gets out, pain everywhere, ginger comes in as the parent calms everything down. I like to call it the anti-stress root, because a lot of ulcerative colitis actually has to do with stress, mental, emotional, physical stress, and ginger again really is like a calming parent with the anti-inflammatory effects, helps as a long-term solution to help you heal if you're dealing with IBD, ulcerative colitis. Villain number 4. Have you ever been to a party and there's this kind of bouncer guy standing there at the entrance and making sure the drunk people and the druggy people and the bad people don't get in? Ginger does this if you're dealing with SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and you've got Streptococcus bacteria traveling everywhere. Ginger's gonna come in and like, out of the party, out of the party, out of the party. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. The bouncer helps to control those harmful bacteria, and it makes them leave faster than they got into your gut. Villain number 3, we have leaky gut syndrome. I really don't like that name because there is no food particles traveling through your gut. If you have that diagnosed, it's all about ammonia gas being produced, and that travels like a ghost everywhere and creates massive inflammation. But no problem, because who is helpful? Ginger soothes the gut lining, and it actually goes to the root cause of the ammonia gas production, which is usually indigestion. That food starts putrefying in the gut, doesn't get broken down because you don't have enough digestive enzymes, because you didn't eat your ginger. Number 2, imagine you're driving with your car and on the roadside you have those signs, road construction, right? There's this repair crew which patches up the road so you can drive nicely. That's what ginger does for diverticulitis. It makes sure those potholes are not an issue for you anymore, and it keeps running your digestion smoothly. So see it as your fixer-upper for diverticulitis. Last but not least, villain number 1, we have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Again, very stress related, which ginger can help to smooth that stress. And also, if your gut tends to spasm, ginger helps to relax those muscles inside your digestive system so you feel more peaceful. And that works often quite fast, so 15 to 20 minutes, if you eat it the way I'm going to share it with you right now. Before we get there, I would love to hear from you. Which are the villains that you are dealing with right now? Let me know in the comments below. You can also use the numbers if you want, 12 to number 1, so you can check what is the villain that you are most dealing with. Share with us in the comments below. Anybody else in love with ginger? Or is it only me? I do like superheroes. I was totally into Superman in my teens, and I actually imagined making out with him behind the couch, but secret. Okay, now that ginger has defeated all those gut villains, let's move on to how to activate its superpowers so you can take it home and you can benefit from all its goodies at home for the best results. All right, so the most effective one is a hardcore technique. First it seems hardcore, then it seems like sure, normal if you get to that point. I personally do it like this because you get all the goodies and it works the fastest and the most effective. You have ginger and you need fresh ginger for that. Get it in every grocery, every supermarket. It's just hanging around there waiting for you. Pick a piece of ginger, look at your thumb, and that's the villain part coming out in me. Half of your thumb size, this is the piece of peeled ginger that you want to consume in one go. If you want to do more, no problem. I just don't want to scare you away right away. Not that you think I'm the villain. So I'll peel this here for you and I demonstrate because otherwise, you're not going to do it. Let's be honest. All right, so we got it here. It's already a larger piece. You see, my thumb is not that big. Chew it and then all the juice is coming out and then you swallow the whole thing, right? But first chew. Let's look at Peggy, how she's making a fool of herself. Done. All right, that was an intense one. Depending on what issues you're dealing with from the list, you want to repeat this 3 times to 5 times per day. If you want real results, that's the way to go. If you're more on the pussycat side, I won't tell anybody. If you need the gentle approach, it's totally fine. If you want to ease into it, do a ginger tea, right? Peel the thing, chop it finely, put it in hot water. The thing why I'm not recommending ginger tea as the best method is because through the heat, a lot of the good properties get destroyed, like the digestive enzymes. It's the same with the ginger powder. I also don't recommend that. Fresh ginger, ideally eaten raw, and if not, you start with the ginger tea and ease into it. All right, gut feeler. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know in the comments below. Love to answer them, and happy chewing to you.